Children need supportive environments and people who foster their optimal growth and development. When children lack these supports and are placed in challenging situations, they will likely suffer. Experiences can really shape who children are and who they will become later in life. Early experiences can affect children throughout their lives, and when children are placed in scary or stressful situations, trauma can occur. Traumatic situations or adverse childhood experiences can lead to health problems, behavioral challenges, developmental delays, or lowered educational achievement. There are several major adverse childhood experiences or experiences that might cause a child trauma. First, it's difficult for children to lose a loved one. This might happen due to death, illness, or injury of a loved one. Divorce could also cause a huge loss in a child's life. The loss might not be permanent, but could still be long-term and have long-term effects on a child. These long-term absences could be caused by a military deployment or imprisonment of a parent or caregiver. It can also be traumatic for children to live in a household with a caregiver with mental illness or drug or alcohol issues. Often, in these cases, the child has to take on responsibilities that a child normally wouldn't have to face. Abuse or maltreatment can also have long-term consequences on children. Child protective action or foster care placement can greatly affect the developing child. These children may be faced with violence in their homes or communities. They may witness domestic violence or violence in the media. All can be scary and difficult for children to manage. Homelessness or a disruption of a child's living environment can be another cause for trauma. These children often are not in a good environment, and this can cause them many challenges in their day-to-day life as well as in the long run. There are also naturally occurring traumatic events that children might be faced with. Accidents or natural disasters might take place and affect children's lives, causing difficulties in a child's life. It's important to know about these challenging situations that might cause children trauma in their lives, so you can help to support children in need.